BOS
What's
is
the BOS?
the stuff that's in the sun.
Stuff that's in the sun or out of the sun?
Oh, out of the sun.
Out of the
Out
sun.
of the sun.
So what's not included?
The mod.
Modules, right.
The
So
module.
modules themselves are not included in the balancing system. So what we want to do is we want to put everything in the sunlight. No, we want to put everything out of the sunlight, and the only thing we want to have in the sunlight are the solar modules. We want to take the racks and the cables, and we make sure those are all hidden so we're not looking at them, and they're not in the sunlight. Ideally. So here's some balance of systems. So you have mechanical BOS and you have electrical BOS. So for this one, what's the issues with this one here? This is a flat roof. A flat roof installation. What do you see?
Landscape?
They're in landscape. Okay. Good. All right.
The installation of those barricades?
These here?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, so yes, I would be looking at the roof attachments, good.
Obviously, they had their mount on the wrong side of the roof for some reason.
But
They're
it's a
on,
flat
they're on,
roof.
the roof tilted this way, but they're tilted, the other way.
Okay, so, all right, so,
Maybe it's just the location that's finding it.
okay, all right, so, but what can happen underneath here?
It can be exposed to sunlight.
It could be exposed to sunlight, good, because there could be albedo, we're gonna talk a little bit about. Huh? People can walk through them if they're energized, if they're readily accessible. That's, it would be an issue for being able to safeguard. What's another one that you might see as far as the hazards?
It's gonna be a nice place for birds to nest.
Birds to nest, okay, good, or any other, yes? Wind, that's right, wind could be an issue. Did you get and you want to stay away from the corner of the building because they can pull the modules up.
All their neighbors are gonna know they have solar.
All their neighbors are gonna know they have solar. It looks like a science experiment. All right. And then for snow country, this could be an issue for snow country. So you don't want to have them tilted like this because you get a lot of snow on a rooftop. Ground's not so high. On a roof, that could be an issue with snow.
So how do you want it to be tilted in the snow?
Usually for flat roofs for commercial systems, flat roofs for commercial systems, they are, did we talk about that last time? They're about a 5 or 10 degree tilt.
Oh.
So about 5 or 10 degrees, that would be the best method. Instead of having it tilted up. And now you can only put one row, and if you look at our diagrams that we had earlier in the picture of on the rooftop, you can see that there's on the sheet 4, it shows the 2 rows of solar modules that are on the rooftop, and then can they have inter-row shading? So in winter months, are the shadows longer or shorter in winter months?
Shorter.
Longer, and so if you really want to get that generation during the winter months, now you have to make the arrays further apart. And you can see that can be an issue because you have inter-row shading. So these are things you want to be able to consider. So best for commercial, to make them flat. For residential, flat, near flat, just always flat. As close to flat as possible. Okay. SunPower actually made that popular. That was very good. Okay, how about this one? Do you see any issues with this one? Exposed to the sun, okay. And then here's another thing.